Goa will soon be a logistic hub and this will create employment, former Aviation Minister Suresh Prabhu reiterated on Friday.
Prabhu was speaking after an inauguration function at Dabolim Airport on Friday. He said a meeting will be convened on July 11 to take Goa Commercial Logistic Hub proposal forward. Panchayat Minister Moin Gudino and Airport Director Gagan Malik were also present.
When I was the Minister of Aviation, I had announced that we'll have a logistic hub in Goa. I have a very bad habit of following it up. Next month, the CIA, the Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport, and many others, I joined hands with the local branch of CIA also. Swati Salgaonkar is driving it, the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant will be participating in it. And I am very happy to say that we are taking the next step forward to make Goa a logistic hub, which will create jobs, which will create new opportunities for small and medium enterprises without damaging environment. That is very important. That is what is going to happen in Goa. So I think in the next month, August, I think it's 11th of August, we are having this program. So we'll go forward and make sure that Goa remains the most sought after place, as my dear friend Mr. Moin Gudino mentioned, for the people from all parts of the world to come here and enjoy the beauty of Goa and also the hospitality.
Everybody knows Goa is a world-class destination. In pandemic times, air traffic has been less, passengers arriving have been less. But I am telling the airport authorities that they have to gear up for a type of a bonanza which is going to come as the pandemic situation improves. Because of various restrictions put all over the world at different airports by different countries, people will not miss going out for holidays. And what better destination is going to be there than a place like Goa? So you'll have people coming by the hordes, you'll have people descending where you have never expected. We have to be prepared for that. While we have to prepare also for the worst in terms of if there is a third wave, which the state government has already geared up. We have made preparations, we are more ready than ever before. But don't look at only the bad side. The good side is people love to come to Goa. More and more people are going to be coming. So we are looking at that scenario as well. And as rightly pointed out by Mr. Suresh Prabhu,
Gagan Malik said the business at Goa Airport will keep running like past once the coronavirus pandemic gets over.
As far as international flights are concerned, the scheduled international flights are stopped till 31st of July. But as I could foresee, or as I am seeing it in last 2-3 days, there is some increase in domestic passengers, there is increase in some flights. Today we are having 19 flights, though passenger footfall is less, but it is indicative that on a working day, flights have increased. So I am expecting slowly and gradually, as vaccination takes place, as all these states will come together and work out things in a better manner. This traffic is going to come up, and it is very correctly said that we are going to have work manifolds. For example, when this first wave ended and operations resumed, we had 2 times work which we used to have pre-COVID level. Aircrafts became bigger in sizes. We had more number of people, sir, in those 3-4 months, instead which used to be in the last year in similar months. So, yes, as sir has said very clearly, bad days won't last forever. We are looking for the sun to rise. It's going to rise. Light is there on the horizon.
Hirumale for Goa 365 from Vasco.